Hello everyone, my name is Karuraj. Today I will discuss about discrete mathematics, one of the most important topic, operation of graph, path, cycle and connectivity. Operation of graph, which is your union graph. The union graph of two graphs, G1 and G2, denoted by G1 and G1 union G2, create a new graph that contain all vertex edges from the both graph. If there are any common vertex and edges, they are merged into an instance. That is G1 and G2 are connected. So the result is G1 union G2. Intersection of graph. The intersection of graph G1 and G2 denoted by G1 intersection G2 result in a new graph that contain only the vertices and edges that are common to both G1 and G2. First of all, we see the draw G1 and G2. G1 contain 4 vertices and 4 edges, and G2 contain 3 vertices and 3 edges, and contain combination is G1 intersection G2 is. So third one is ring of graph, like G1, V1, E1 and G2, V2, E2, V2 graph. The ring sum of two G1 and G2 denoted G1 ring G2 is denoted as a graph G such that G1 V G V G1 union V G2. Second, EG1 union EG2 minus EG1 intersection EG2. So we can see that in draw G1 G2. So G1 ring G2 is the answer. Another topic is path of graph. It is a time neither vertex or edge are represented I. If we are transverse a graph such that we do not repeat a vertex and nor we repeat an edge. Vertex are not repeated, edges are not repeated. So we show that our diagram here. So another one is cycle in graph. Traversing a graph such that we do not repeat a vertex, not repeat an edge, but the starting and ending vertex must be same. Therefore, we can't repeat starting and ending vertex. Only then we get a cycle. Vertex not repeated, edge not repeated. Here are the example of cycle graph. A1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a cycle. Cycle is a closed path. It is connectivity of graph. Connectivity is a basic component in graph theory. Connectivity defines whether a graph is connected or disconnected. It is subtopic based on the edge and vertex. Now, edge as a connectivity and vertex connectivity, let us define in detail. So, a graph is said to be connected if there is a path between every pair of vertex. From every vertex to any other vertex, there should be same path. Two traverse, that is called connectivity of graph. Now we talk about cut vertex. Let G be connected graph A vertex V belongs to G. Called a cut vertex of G. If GV delete V from G result in a disconnect graph removing a cut vertex. From a graph break into two or more graphs. A connected graph G may have at most n-2 cut vertex. Example, in this following graph, vertex E and C are the cut from vertex. A, B, C, D, E, F, G cut A, B, C, D. By removing E or C, the graph will be. Now discuss cut A. Let G be a connected graph and edge E belongs to G. Called a cut edge result in a disconnected graph. If removing edge in a graph result into a two or more graph, then edge is called cut edge. For example, in this following graph, the cut edge CE. By removing CE from the graph, become disconnected. So thank you guys for watching my video.